the sea represents everything to us. Out of our knowledge with the sea, we were sure that we will achieve something unique.
Gulfcraft, to me, it is a symbol of a national pride whereby locals got together and were able to present a company in the international market.
We are proud that we have developed from a small boat manufacturer to a super yacht and mega yacht builder.
Gulfcraft is, to me, is a confirmation of a dream that can be or can become true. And Gulfcraft exceeded our dream and imagination.
While we started as a follower, today we consider ourselves a leader.
Guided by the spirit of adventure, we were born, destined to pioneer the art of crafting boats and yachts in the United Arab Emirates. We journeyed far, and as our passion grew, it became a lifelong obsession. To share our deep love of boating in the sea through each and every creation. Using improved technologies each year, we evolved, all the while staying true to our roots. To keep things pure and from the heart, striving towards precision and perfection each and every step of the way, with in-house manufacturing, attention to detail, and a high degree of personalization with every boat, satisfying sea lovers from around the globe and empowering every journey. Gulfcraft manufactures a variety of yachts and boats which include the stylish, the versatile, the adventurous, the luxurious, and most impressively, the magnificent. The Majesty 175's groundbreaking and innovative nature personifies who we are and what we are all about today. And there are no limits to how far we can go, how many people we can share our joy and passion with, and what we can accomplish. Over 4 decades of excellence. Gulfcraft, the journey has just begun.